We journeyed across the sea in our longships, sturdy and swift vessels that carried us through waves and wind. These ships are masterfully crafted, with wide, shallow hulls that allow us to travel deep inland through rivers and to make landfall on beaches where other ships cannot go. We navigate by the stars, the sun, and the color of the ocean, and sometimes we follow the flight of birds to find our way to new lands. After many days at sea, relying on our skills and the gods' favor, we reached the shores of Ireland. I hail from the rugged lands of Scandinavia, where the mountains meet the sea and the cold winds shape the spirit. My home is a place with long winters and brief, bright summers, a land filled with mighty fjords and dense forests. We Vikings are a hardy folk, well used to the challenges that such a land presents. Ireland is a land of great beauty and rich green fields, unlike the rocky coasts of my homeland. The people here are strong and have a deep connection to their own traditions and stories, much like the Norse. The land is fertile and the waters are plentiful with fish, making it a valuable place for a Viking to settle or trade. The Irish themselves, though wary of us, can be noble and brave. It's a land that offers much to those who come in peace or in search of new beginnings.